this shit alright, cause I can never be wrong. I tried to change my life, them people call me a clone.
Subscribe, come on. Fuck, I'm scared as fuck. Oh well. Fuck. Sorry. I was trying to see what.
I'm gonna call 911 and I'm gonna just report for all that shit you put on my ear right now.
Shut your bitch ass up before I get to talking shit about you.
Nigga, make me break the bank, knock the top off. Got them young niggas shooting at your mama house. We don't play foul when we got them guns out. Niggas act up and we gotta act out. Street nigga turn route with the Mac out. I was getting money before Jeff Stackhouse. With the double bounce back like a mascot. I got a unicorn.
Yo, kid coming through, man. Hey, it's jaylenpoppa, the one and only. And guess today, we at Bokomar right now, you know what I'm saying? We got special guests. Come in. Boy, take
off and I'm back with another video.
For sure. So, you know, it was only right that me and my dog had to come collab, you know what I'm saying? We at Bokomar right now. And today, special video today is we're going to be sneezing on people, so. Perfect. People looking at us low key. But, slide. So look, today we're gonna be doing a sneezing prank on people. We're gonna be sneezing on people.
Sneezing prank.
Yeah, sneezing prank. Come on, slide.
Let me do the prank on somebody.
You wanna do the prank?
Yeah. You wanna
all right. First, I gotta tap in with the channel. Take off Lee and jaylenpoppa. Make sure I tap in. Gotcha.
I watch videos like this all the time.
Bro, damn, I don't know why bro mad, bro, but chilling. Oh, sorry.
How would you do that?
Sorry. It was an accident. No, I sneezed. I'm so sorry. I apologize about that. I sneezed. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
All that shit that you doing is not work. I don't wait.
Walk. Why he slapped his head? Do it again. I feel like this little old ass nigga was just chasing me or some shit right here. Look, get him. I feel like this nigga was just like chasing me in a circle or some shit. The fuck? Stay. And I were talking. Excuse me? How much does a poster cost?
150.
150?
Yeah.
What you got? Like these are your posters you got? Let's see. 150? You can't do like, you don't got nothing for like lower than that?
No, you gotta take it down.
Nah, I'm straight. It's straight. Yeah. Let's see. Fuck. I fucking hate this shit, bro. Subscribe to jaylenpoppa. Yeah. Dude, I seen you from a mile away. Not gonna lie. Dude, you like John Wick film. You like John Wick.
Oh, John Wick?
Yeah. I do, man.
Yeah. Huh? No, not yet.
Yeah. Got us. Alright. Make sure you subscribe to jaylenpoppa and take off.
Alright.
Tell them subscribe.
Subscribe. So what's the channel?
jaylenpoppa and take off Lee.
jaylenpoppa and take off Lee.
Yeah. So appreciate it. Yeah, we thought we was gonna get you, but we didn't get you. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, talk to me real quick. Just talk to me. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, it's kinda deep. One thing, I'm gonna sneeze on the guy. Alright, fuck it. Yeah. Yo, your hoodie's tough, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh.
That shit's tough as fuck, bro. Oh, sorry. Your hoodie's tough, dude. Where you get it from, bro? Huh?
I think it's fake.
Huh?
I bought it from someone.
You did?
Yeah.
That shit look hard. It don't matter if it's fake, fam. Fake it till you make it, fam.
Everybody want one. Who wants me? Today he fake it till you make it.com. Yeah!
Real.
Huh?
What'd you say?
That's till you make it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, fam.
Huh?
All right, fam.
All that shit that you doing is not working. I'm waiting.
My fault. I apologize. My bad. That's allergies. My fault. I apologize. You're good? Well, I didn't mean to sneeze on you. It's alright. You're good. All right. Thank you. You have a good day. You sure you're good? You good? My fault. Yeah, sure.
My fault, fam. Bro, I got this good. What's up, fam? Up top. Up top. Winners. If you're a winner, you're a winner. I ain't mean to spit on you. I meant sneeze on you or spit on you. Fry? You guys subscribe to my YouTube. jaylenpoppa.
What?
jaylenpoppa. If you subscribe, you're certified. You certified? Yeah. Are you gonna subscribe? Are you gonna subscribe? How about you? Hey, free fries, y'all. Free fries. Who want free fries? You said free fries again? What
happened?
This is my gang now. I like y'all. What's your name?
So,
Oh my god.
say what's up to the YouTube. Free fries?
I put it in.
What's up?
Damn, they real. Come on, make sure everybody subscribe. Come on. Fuck, I'm scared as fuck. Oh well. Fuck. Sorry.
Don't do that at all before I call.
I was trying to see what.
I'm gonna call 911 and I'm gonna just report you for all that shit you put on my ear right now.
I was gonna ask you a question, but I
I'm gonna
sneezed.
call 911 and have you arrested because you
Shut your bitch ass up before I get to talking shit about you.
spit it on my ear.
I didn't spit. I sneezed.
Don't go nowhere because I'm calling security and I'm calling the cops.
I sneezed.
You sneezed right on my ear and you did that on purpose.
I didn't do. I sneezed and I asked you. I was gonna ask you a question.
I'm at the mall here, ladies and gentlemen.
He's mad.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey, subscribe. Come on, let's get the fuck out. Like, nigga was like, he was hot as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga was the president, fam.
Subscribe. What's the channel?
jaylenpoppa and take off Lee.
jaylenpoppa and take off fleet.
Yeah. So.
2 Glocks on me, call me 2 Sport. Yo nigga sell Ace, he need a new sport. My bitch keep tripping, I need a new whore. I like to use my deuce, but that bitch too short. I don't even like to fuck, but I pay for head. My bitch say she wants some shoes.